Good morning, children. Let us discuss about the Geography Lesson 6 Major Landforms of the Earth. In previous classes, we have learned about the mountains. There are different types of mountains are there, and also the plateaus. The plateaus are called the tableland also, and also the in the plateau areas more minerals are available. So today let us learn about the plains. The plains are large stretches of flat land. It is a flat land and also where present we are living, where the human beings are living, where they are maximum they are growing the crops and also the constructing the industries, population and construction of the house. So maximum it takes place on plain area only. So maximum 200 meters above mean sea level, and also the some of the areas it is rolling like up and down also it will be there, and also some of the plain areas by the river floats, the continue flowing of the river water also the plain area it is going to be formed, and also by their tributaries. Tributary means the which are the part of the water dividing from the main river. These are the small rivers dividing by the big rivers are called the tributaries. The rivers flow down the slopes of mountains and erode them also. And when the flowing of the water and when it is continue flow it is there, it is going to be eroded and carries the material, and also it is going to be deposits. Then they deposit their load consisting of stone, sand and soil along their courses in their valleys also. It is from these deposits that plains are formed. How the plains are forming? Because of the flowing of the water and the slope of the water, and all these structures are taking the place. Generally, plains are very fertile. The plain area is a fertile land. It is suitable for growing of the crops also. Construction of transport network is easy. Thus, these plains are very thickly populated regions of the world. Throughout the world also, where the plain areas are there, there we can see the more population and the transport, construction of the road, and also the construction of the railways, and all it takes place on plain areas only. So children, the plain area present where we are living also it is a plain area only. And also that some of the largest plains made by the rivers are found in Asia and North America. Some of the area because of the uh, largest plains it is the plain area is made by the river. When the water continue flow it is there, it is going to be formed like a plain land that we can see in the area of the Asia, North America. For example, in Asia these plains are formed by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra in India, and the Yantage in China. So these are by the flowing of the rivers, and the plain areas are formed by the river of the Ganga, Brahmaputra in our country. In China also Yangtze is the main. By these rivers also the plain areas are formed. Plains are the most useful areas for the human habitation. For human beings to live, these areas are very useful also to construct a house, to go from one place to another place, to construct the industry, school, building, etc. also. There is great concentration of people as more flat land is available for building houses as well as for cultivation also. If we are observing that in picture also we can see how they are growing the crops. The plain areas are useful cultivation and growing of the crops, and because the soil is fertile, the land is highly productive for cultivation. It is very good for the production. In India too, the indigo Gangetic plains are the most densely populated regions in our country. Children, you can observe in the picture also growing of the plants and how they are growing the crops. The plain area using for the growing of the crops to stay the population. It is suitable for more production of the crops, for population, for transport, construction of the industries, for everything also. The plain areas are very useful. The more fertile soil also is there on the plain areas also. So children, once again how to read the information and understand it more. Let us continue in the tomorrow's class. Thank you.